Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites, your character level, active quest flags, and that you hold the keystone item and one key fragment. Once done, position yourself at the domain gate during the specific night cycle or required weather condition. This triggers the Slumbering Court's awakening phase. Make sure to unequip heavy gear that hampers movement and open your quest menu to verify the domain marker. These first actionable steps set the scene and unlock the initial interaction prompt at the gate. Once the gate prompt appears, you use the keystone and immediately insert the fragment. This activates a short cinematic and summons wardens. Make sure to communicate. Assign one player as tank, one for crowd control, and others for ranged damage to manage spacing. During the 2 warden waves, focus down mechanics that apply sleep or bind, interrupt those spells when possible. Gradually clear adds while preserving resources, because conserving cooldowns for the final stabilizer phase is critical to opening the core chamber. You finish by interacting with the central glyph to trigger the core chamber sequence. At this point, the final guardian unleashes a powerful burst requiring shields and timed heals. Once engaged, focus single target damage on its weak phase and rotate defensive cooldowns during stagger windows. If the mechanics lock or the chamber fails to spawn, make sure to exit the domain radius to force a reset and wait 30 seconds before re-entering. This reliably clears stuck triggers and preserves your progress to attempt the sequence again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.